Hey folks, welcome. I just got bored and I just wanted to open a live stream. This is perfectly an unplanned stream. So I'm working on my project, so if you want to hang with me, just stay here. If you have any questions, please ask in the chat, or if you're watching offline, actually not offline, but not live. If you are watching from video, you can just write your comments in the comment section. If you want to get notification, please subscribe the channel and please like the video to let it seen by more people. Thank you. Let me tell you what I'm working on. I've designed a character setup to handle all the animations or all the actions, and now we have different character designs. So I want to copy a character setup from one model to other, and it has ragdoll elements and other important controllers. So I just want to I just want to copy and link related things by the extension I made for Unity. Otherwise it takes really long time for each character, and it's very open for simple mistakes, human mistakes. So let's try. Okay. For example, we can just move these two transforms from here to there. Okay. Okay, so we have here 3 transforms to be moved here, right, and okay. So I want to get a right hand transform using avatar feature. Otherwise, I'll have tough time to find the correct transform because names are completely different in the rig. We are using the avatars to manage the character. So it's best to use that as a reference. So how can I get right hand in an animator? Okay. Animator.avatar. Okay. It won't transform. Okay. Returns transform map to this human bone ID. Returns null if animator is disabled if it doesn't have human description. Great. Human body bones. Dots. Right hand. Okay. Great. Let me put the code screen here so you can see what I'm working on. Okay, so we're gonna get the transform for the right hand. Yay. Carry point and maybe weapon hold point. Wait, okay. I need to find 3 objects, and actually we can rename it source right hand. Source right hand. Source right hand. So I need to find target right hand. Target. So we need to choose target animator. Human bones right hand. Okay. There's some important point here. As you can see, character poses may not be same, or even character sizes and bone lengths can vary. So I will just hold the position and rotation information, local position and rotation information for these transforms, and restore them when I moved these transforms from this hand to this hand. Okay. So what I need is okay, I prepared these. So let's work on carry point hand. First we need to find this guy and CPH transform TPH. Yes. I just want to separate these code parts with these breakies, because otherwise I will not be able to use same variable names. Okay, points. Okay. I need to get local position vector 3 position equals CPH not local position. Okay. Quaternion rotation is CPH dot local rotation. Okay, I copied the position and rotation info, so let's change the parent from source right hand to target right hand. Okay, and then restore position and rotation. Okay. Okay. I'll just comment this section because we already tested it. So it should copy these two there. Actually not copy, just move. Okay. So this is source character and this is target character. Copy. Yes, it copied. It moved carry point and adjusted the rotation and position according to the original. Yeah, if I undo can see it's here. By the way, I think there is a problem with local position, because yeah, oh, okay. Houston, we have a problem here. Let me revert the change, because we didn't add an undo code here. Oh, I undoed a lot. Unnecessarily a lot. Okay, just hide this one. Duplicate this one. Okay, this is our original character. And this is our target model here. I think we need to add some undo code here. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Register full object hierarchy undo. Object to undo is a game object that here will contain object to undo itself. It's child game object that needs objects. Okay, so how it works? Root components. Roots. Okay, I think this is going to work. So let's put an undo thing here. We need to record undo for parent player character. Yeah, so I mean this is going to be parent of this source or target animator. Transform, that's parent. Oops. Dot game object. Copy character setup. In this way, I will be able to undo and test all the features. Okay. Karakter. Target karakter. Okay. So these two transforms and transformed inside the hand should be copied. Yeah, these are moved. And yeah, this is also in position. But I'm still not happy with the position of this transform because it's not right. Okay. It record the hierarchy change, but not the position change correct way. I didn't like it. It's a good idea to just save the scene and unload rather than undoing, because it becomes more complex than I think. Okay, I will just remove this undo thing, and I will just unload discard scene to test it. Save the scene. Okay, this is the beginning position. Okay, this is the source, this is the target object. I saved the scene, and let's check the position of the transforms in the right hand. Yeah. Here's the position of carry point in hand. This is the transform of the bone. I will check this here. The rotation is a little bit different than the other one, so that's the problem. Yeah. Okay, no worries. We can fix it later. So this is the my current sub objective is just making this extension with this plugin here. The rig errors or the errors comes from previous things is not my current objective. Okay, so it looks fine, so I'll just discard. It is not recording the undo, so scene is not being changed, and I will not be able to discard change. Okay, just make a little change here and discard scene. Okay, I need to set the scene dirty. Editorially set dirty. After we completed the handling, we need to set our parent object to dirty. Should work. Copy. Yeah, it's okay. So I will be able to discard the scene and retest. Good. So we made oops. So we made this part. Okay. Let's copy same thing and use same position and rotation for the melee weapon hold point. Melee weapon hold points. Okay. Melee weapon hold point. Source from right hand. Find melee weapon and get local position and rotation. Set the parent to target hand and set position and rotation again. Okay. So same will be done for ranged weapon hold points. Range weapon hold point. Okay. Yeah. All of them should be moved to target hand. Okay. Okay, let's try. This is the source, this is the target character. Copy. Yes, we have our transform points. But I don't understand why all points are being in the wrong side of the hand. Is there something wrong with the hand itself? This is red. Oh yes, we have big problems, Houston. Yeah, we have big problems with character rig. Actually, we were started with Mixamo rig, but the artist used a different kind of rig setup here. It is okay to have a little difference, but you can see the problem here. Check out the green, red, and blue. Okay, this is X and this is Y and this is Z axis. Here it is turned 90 degrees. Yeah, this is going to be a problem for us. Yes. Okay, I'll just take screenshots and send to the artist and ask him for changing, updating all the stuff to match Mixamo rig. At least for all the axes. I'm really sorry for this situation. So I will not be able to move forward. I want to parallel characters to show the effect better. And the other hand. Yes. Let me write to Discord. So I'll just continue other parts of the plugin that I'm working on. So we copied carry point, melee weapon hold point, ranged weapon hold point. So I can take this one. So we have animator here. Okay, so we need to copy the other components from this this character to target one. First, let's discard all the chains and implement the copy component feature and reheat the copy character setups to see if it's working or not. Okay. So we have a rig builder. I don't know if I can just copy a component by code. Editor script. Copy existing components to another. Let's go to another game. Since it doesn't have a way to copy the object and apply the copy to another game object, I'm trying to make it a object that will be okay. Use reflection. New component, game object, add component, old component, get type. For each old component, get type, get fields, set value. Okay. Okay, good idea. A better approach would be using editor internal namespace. Editor internal component will copy components. Component to copy, target, paste component. Okay, let's try it. This one looks easier. So I need to find the animator. Okay, animator is okay. Animator components. I need to find animator component on source and paste it to target. Source dot get components animator. Okay. I think I'm missing a namespace here. So Animancer. Okay, Animancer components. We see. Here's this one. Component copy is here. The components, paste component as new to game object, target object. Okay, so PC source component. Someone is breaking the building, I think. I can't believe it. Our neighbor is breaking the building right now. Okay. Calm down. Target. Not game object. Animancer should be copied and pasted if we are doing it correct. Here we have Animancer component and we don't have Animancer component here. Copy, yes, we got it. And character animator connected to the other one, so we need to update the character component of the Animancer. Character animator. Okay, so animators. So does it return the new thing here? No, it doesn't return. So I need to get AC targets. Maybe ACT is target dot get components and answer components. Okay. ACT dot animator is AC. ACT dot animator is AC dot animator. Okay. So I'll just undo everything, or I can just remove. Oh, okay. Let's start over. Source, target, copy. Oh, we still have the old link here. Why? Ah, sorry. We need to set it to our own animator. Okay, so actually the link itself is just an animator, so I can just set it to target animator. Okay. Discard. Copy. Yes, great. So we have our correct link here. and all the settings are saved. Okay, not bad. Let's keep going for the other component, which is ragdoll elements. Ragdoll elements components. Oh, this is gonna be a huge one. Okay, first we need to copy the component itself, set the animator, set the animancer component, and set all the colliders and joints and rigid bodies for the ragdoll itself. Okay, let's do the same thing for ragdoll elements. The ragdoll elements is here. Copy, paste, and ragdoll target is going to be something like this, and we need to set ragdoll elements everything to new targets. So in the ragdoll elements we have animator and animancer components. Both will be linked to new one. Animator is okay. rdt dot animancer equals tag animator get components animancer component. Actually, we have animancer component here. You can just use it. Animator. Okay, I'll keep them separate. Okay, animancer. Okay, so before we continue, we need to set up ragdoll for this guy because we don't have any ragdoll elements here. So you can see, for example, if we choose spine or spine 2, we don't see any ragdoll elements. But the other guy has ragdoll elements everywhere. So there's a super cool tool to use in that kind of situation. We just put source here and target here. And if we just hit first, we need to use humanoid mapping and just copy. Yes, it copied. So we have ragdoll elements in our new character. So here we can set the ragdoll elements in our new character. Okay. Let me put it here. Maybe this way is better. colliders and rigid bodies. So I can just get all the colliders in the rig and put inside the ragdoll elements class. Yeah, it would be easier. I'm just trying to remember if I had any other collider or any other kind of thing other than ragdoll. I don't think so. Okay, so we will get all the children components for ragdoll targets. Ragdoll target dot colliders equals target animator dot avatar dot get maybe just get whoa. I get bone transform humanoid bones hips dot get components in children collider. Okay, and we are going to get rigid bodies, rigid body. So I need to get all the colliders under the hips bone. Okay, but rigid bodies and box colliders. Do we have anything under the ragdoll elements more? No, we just have colliders, rigid bodies. We already set these two. Okay, let's discard changes in the scene. And okay, first I need to compile, so I'll save it. Go to Unity. This is the source, this is the target character. First we need to copy the ragdoll itself. Later maybe I can move some parts of this extension to my own extension to make it automate. Maybe let's check it out if it is easy to just grab. Ragdoll copier. Copy ragdoll. Copy ragdoll. How does it work? Set physics material, clear targets. Source and target. Okay, I'll just keep that step right now because I'm very tired at the moment and I don't want to understand what happens there. Okay, I'll just use the extension itself. This is the source, this is the targets, and copy error. Why? Uneven number of transforms. Of course we need to use humanoid. Yes, thank you. Copy. Yes, it is successful. We have ragdoll elements here, actually colliders and rigid bodies. So we're gonna have all the stuff from our source. Copy. Yes, we got the ragdoll elements, components, and we get the links and heaps, tight, calf. Yeah, everything looks fine. So we all have rigid bodies. Okay, not bad. So what's next? So let me check my notes for next steps. Root motion transfer and rig builder. Yes, I need to copy these. Root motion transfer script. Okay. Root motion transfer. Actually, we can just copy here. Root motion transfer. This is target one. Maybe we may not. I think we don't need it. So we have root motion from source. We copied that, paste the target object. And what's next? We need to just get the motion rigid body. Actually, it's the same parent, so I don't have to set it explicitly. So here we have the same parent. Yeah, that's all for this step. Let's go for the next one, rig builder. Yes, we need to copy the rig builder here. Okay, I think we need to using some namespace here. Character rig builder with script Unity animation rigging. So add using Unity animation and rigging. So here we'll get rig builder component RB and paste it to the next one. Do we need to have link anything? Actually, these transforms will be moved to the target one, so probably we are not gonna we don't need to set these links. Let's just test it. Rig builder. Okay. Since I discarded all the scene chains, I have to just recopy the ragdoll elements, colliders and rigid bodies, and then I need to set these links. So let's hit the copy. Let's check. We have animator component. We already tested it before. Ragdoll elements with all the colliders. Okay, great. Root motion transfer, and the rigid body is the parent, and weapon aim rig is under this. Yeah, okay, under this character. So far so good. We done. We did it. Okay. Character control, camera follow target. Range weapon aim rig. Character range weapon aim rig. Spine aim, spine 1 aim, spine 2 aim. Okay, let's fix this. So here we have a rig moves some bones of character, and these are still linked to the old one. So I'll just update this one. Okay. And maybe we can just update it here. Ranged weapon hold point, range weapon aim rig. We should update it here because much more relevant to itself. By the way, I just want to have a glass of water. Hang on. Okay, let's keep going. What do we do? Okay, we relink these spine 1 and 2. Okay, so first I need to find the related transforms. This is the spine. Okay. Okay, so transform T spine TSP. Okay, TSP is target animator dot get bone transform humanoid bones dot spine 1. Hopefully it's there. Spine. Whoa. This is the first spine bone. Okay, so should I find the next one by myself? Where's the other spines? Spine. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we need to find them by ourselves. TSP. So TSP 0. This is TSP 0. And let's find TSP 1 by getting the children. First children dot childs get child 0. Okay, and the TSP 2 is gonna be first child of the first one. Okay, so range, weapon, aim rig. It can be pretty boring, but moving all the stuff by hand between characters are much more boring. So here we need to find these aim transforms, multi-aim constraint transforms, and set the targets. Okay, we have targets, so let's find these multi-aim constraints. Okay, multi-aim constraint MA SP 0. Okay. Range weapon aim rig dot find yeah, it's gonna be get components take constraint. I'm hard coding everything because I don't want to mess with all the other stuffs to check everything if it's there or not. So this plugin, this extension will not be accepting any kind of errors. Okay, it's not end user product. I'll just using for myself. I'm gonna use it just by myself. Multi-aim constraint. The first number 1 and number 2. Spline 1 aim is gonna be here, and spline 2 aim is gonna be here. Okay, so let's set the constraint, or how can I set anything? Constraint object. That's constraint. Oh, we don't have anything to set here. Why? Let's try to find it. Why? Can't I access the constrained object? Oh, we have source object. It is okay, but I want to set the constraint object. It looks super weird. Component data source objects. Interesting. Component data, right? Component data dot constraint object. Okay, it is here. Okay, this should work. 1 and 1, 2 and 2. Hopefully. Range. I lost. Range weapon aim rig. Okay, this is the aim rig, and these are the links that I have checked. So let's discard all the chains. Just copy ragdoll from to copy. Okay, so this is the source, this is the target, and copy, and let's check if we linked incorrect way. Yeah, it looks okay. The other spine looks okay, the other spine looks okay. Okay, good. So far so good. We reached at some point. I'm updating my notes. So guys, I'm tired a bit. I want to rest. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more steps to go, and it will take more than 1.5 hours. So I don't want to continue right now. I'll just rest and maybe continue later or tomorrow. So thanks for joining me. If you watch this live stream until now, you're probably really crazy. So let me share with you some projects I already worked on. For example, SpaceKraft. Yeah, you can find the link in the description to check this game out. I made this game. I started to make this game 5 years ago, and it's almost done after 5 years. But of course I didn't work on this project full time. It was a spare time job, but I really worked hard for achieve this actually. Yeah, so you can just download the demo and hit the add to your wish list to get notification when I release the game, hopefully in a few months. And the other one is also quite interesting game. This is a co-op survival zombie bullet hell kind of game. You can play with your 4 friends together, and we also have demo just updated today, and please add to your wishlist to get notification when we release the game, hopefully after Steam Festival. So thank you for joining me, and hit subscribe to get notifications when I release new videos or get notifications when I started live streaming. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.